Welcome to the state-of-the-art facility where we produce the perfect crunch. Today, we go inside the Jackfruit Chips Factory. Inside a Jackfruit Chips Factory, this is how they achieve the perfect crunch, following the full process from start to finish.
Welcome to the heart of the operation. Here in our state-of-the-art warehouse, thousands of fresh jackfruit.
The journey to the perfect crunch begins here with the freshest jackfruit.
Here we see the giant robotic arm gently lifting the fresh jackfruit onto the conveyor belt.
The process begins as the conveyor belt transports the fresh jackfruit deeper into the production line. Inside the factory, the fresh jackfruit moves like a river, the first step in making that perfect crunch.
The fresh jackfruit first enters the pre-cleaning chamber. Here, high-pressure water nozzles activate, ensuring
The first step to the perfect crunch is ensuring the fruit is perfectly clean.
Here we see the fresh jackfruit beginning its journey. The next step is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch we're looking for.
The fresh jackfruit is submerged in the ultrasonic tank, where high-frequency vibrations gently loosen any remaining debris.
Here the fresh jackfruit enters the ultrasonic cleaner. Millions of tiny bubbles oscillate rapidly, scouring the... Inside the factory, the fresh jackfruit skin visuals hub.
The massive jackfruit emerges, perfectly sanitized by the ultrasonic technology. This is the crucial first step to achieving that perfect crunch.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the freshly cut jackfruit must first be completely dry. These powerful air blowers
An automated slicer engages the fresh jackfruit. The precision of these blades ensures the perfect thickness, essential for the signature crunch of our chips. The automated slicer splits the fresh jackfruit in half with absolute precision, revealing the vibrant yellow interior.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the jackfruit must be sliced with absolute precision. This automated system ensures every piece is uniform.
The color sensors meticulously scan each fresh jackfruit segment, analyzing for optimal ripeness and quality. The machine uses precise grippers and a gentle push mechanism to ensure the flesh remains completely undamaged during the extraction process. To achieve the perfect crunch, the process begins with this high-speed automated slicer, which swiftly removes.
Here we see the fresh golden segments approaching the slicer, the first step in creating that perfect crunch.
The automated slicer cuts the jackfruit segments into perfect thin slices, a mesmerizing display of rhythm and display. Here we see the fresh jackfruit being precisely sliced by the automated blade. This uniformity is key to the drying process and the perfect crunch. To achieve the perfect crunch, the sliced jackfruit must be spread into a precise, thin layer as it begins the drying process. Here in the processing area, the automated waste diverter meticulously separates the seeds and peels, streamlining the production of the perfect crunch.
To minimize waste, the factory converts all discarded peels and seeds into high-quality organic fertilizer.
The massive gears begin the process of crushing the spiky exterior. The crushed mixture moves into the automated fermentation tank of the fertilizer processor. Inside a Jackfruit Chips Factory, this is how they make the perfect crunch.
Maintaining the perfect balance within the processor tank is key. We keep a close eye on the temperature and humidity. Here in the finishing stage, the freshly extruded pellets tumble onto the conveyor, ready for packaging.
Utilizing a sophisticated robotic system, the remaining biomass is converted into fertilizer, completing the factory's impressive zero-waste cycle.
Next, the freshly sliced jackfruit segments enter the steam blanching tunnel. This quick burst of high heat.
The fresh jackfruit slices are enveloped in cinematic mist, a crucial step for softening the cell structure before frying. The blanched jackfruit enters the rapid air cooling system, an essential step to prepare the fruit for the frying process and ensure that perfect crunch.
The fresh jackfruit slices are moved along the conveyor belt, where powerful cool air blowers begin the crucial firming process.
The fresh jackfruit slices now enter the flash freezing tunnel. This rapid temperature is crucial to setting the...
To achieve the perfect crunch, the jackfruit must be flash frozen. This rapid cooling creates the intricate ice crystals you see forming on the surface.
Emerging from the tunnel, the frozen jackfruit is now perfectly rigid. This rapid freezing is essential for achieving that perfect, crispy crunch. To achieve the perfect crunch, the frozen jackfruit is carefully loaded into the vacuum fryer by these synchronized robotic arms. As the pressure gauges drop, the vacuum chamber prepares the jackfruit for frying, ensuring a crispy, non-greasy chip.
As the pressure drops inside the chamber, the oil's boiling point is significantly lowered. This gentle frying process...
Here in the vacuum fryer, the jackfruit is rapidly submerged in hot oil, the crucial step that ensures the perfect, crispy texture we're looking for.
To achieve the perfect crunch, these slices undergo vacuum frying.
Inside the vacuum fryer, we see the rapid moisture release. The low pressure allows the water to boil away without burning the fruit's natural sugars. As you can see in this time lapse, the vacuum fryer rapidly transforms the fruit, resulting in that highly sought-after perfect crunch.
The structure of the jackfruit puffs up slightly, becoming porous and crispy inside the vacuum fryer.
The interface confirms it. Optimal dryness achieved. This precise control is how they guarantee the perfect crunch in every jackfruit chip. As the vacuum pressure drops, the hot oil is rapidly drained, revealing the perfectly golden jackfruit chips. To achieve that perfect crunch, the chips enter the vacuum fryer, where centrifugal force spins away the excess oil. The first step to the perfect crunch is ensuring the highest quality water. Our state-of-the-art filtration system removes all impurities. The raw water surges into the system. As the biofiltration membranes activate, they meticulously filter out contaminants.
The filtration system is key. On the left, the murky input. On the right, the purified water ready for processing.
The cleaned water is pumped back towards the factory input by the advanced filtration system, completing the loop and ensuring a perfect crunch.
Inside a Jackfruit Chips Factory, we see how they achieve the perfect crunch.
This is where we ensure the perfect crunch is safe. The bags pass through our state-of-the-art metal detector and scanner.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the chips enter the high-speed optical sorter, which uses precise bursts of air to eliminate any imperfect pieces.
Fried to a perfect golden crisp, the airy texture is key. And as you can hear, the crunch factor is absolutely essential to our process.
Using specialized suction cups, the packaging robot ensures each bag is perfectly opened before filling.
The electronic scales ensure the precise amount for every bag before moving on to the final stage of the process.
As the golden chips cascade into the aluminum bag, the robotic arm precisely measures each serving, ensuring the perfect crunch is captured. To ensure the perfect crunch, the robot injects nitrogen gas, flushing out the oxygen before the bag is sealed.
The robotic arm precisely aligns the bag before the heat sealing bar clamps down, locking in that perfect crunch. Once perfectly golden brown, the jackfruit chips are quickly sealed to lock in that signature crunch, ensuring freshness in every bag.
We start with fresh, ripe jackfruit, sliced precisely. It's then vacuum fried, achieving that perfect crunch.
Once the jackfruit chips reach peak crispness, they are bagged and immediately moved to the automated packing station.
Once packaged, the automated guided vehicles transport the chips to storage, ensuring the perfect crunch is maintained. From the production line, the AGV transports the freshly packed chips, maintaining that perfect crunch all the way to the storage warehouse.
This mechanical ballet ensures the delicate jackfruit chips are moved efficiently through the factory, preserving that perfect crunch we are looking for.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the full process utilizes advanced AGVs, silently transporting the jackfruit chips across the sterile factory floor.
This intelligent shelving system allows us to scan and store pallets with unmatched precision, ensuring the perfect crunch every time.
The automated crane ensures the perfect crunch is maintained by swiftly moving the jackfruit chips into high bay storage. Welcome to the heart of the operation. This towering automated warehouse ensures that every packet of jack chips
After a thorough ultrasonic cleaning, the chips are vacuum fried, creating that unmistakable golden crunch our customers love.
The automated slicer makes quick work of the fresh jackfruit, ensuring every slice is perfectly uniform for that signature.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the jackfruit is submerged in our specialized vacuum fryers.
Inside the factory, the full process begins with our advanced water filtration system. This ensures the perfect crunch of our jackfruit chips.
From the initial slice to the deep fryer, we ensure every chip achieves that perfect golden color and, of course, the ultimate crunch.
As the day winds down, the machinery pauses, ensuring the chips are cooled before the next batch begins.
To maintain the highest standards, the Clean in Place system sprays the slicer with a thick, sanitizing foam.
Maintaining pristine hygiene is essential. Here, the automated water jets begin a thorough rinse of the conveyor system. After a thorough rinse, the water is channeled to our state-of-the-art filtration system, ensuring environmental responsibility and the perfect crunch.
Here in the vacuum fryer, the chips are cooked at low temperatures, locking in flavor and creating that signature texture.
Inside a Jackfruit Chips Factory. How they make the perfect crunch. The full process.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the jackfruit is thinly sliced and then rapidly vacuum fried, ensuring a crispy texture.
Once the chips achieve the perfect crunch, our automated guided vehicles swiftly transport the pallets to the loading bay.
Welcome inside the factory. To make the perfect jackfruit crunch, we start by carefully slicing the fresh fruit before sending it through our unique vacuum frying system.
Here we see the first step, fresh jackfruit entering the line. The robotic arm carefully lifts the fruit, optimizing the flow.
The automated slicer is the heart of the operation, ensuring every chip is cut to the perfect thickness for that signature crunch.
Deep fried to a perfect golden crisp, then delicately seasoned. It's this careful process that gives our jackfruit chips their signature crunch.
Inside the green factory,
We utilize advanced technology to transform fresh jackfruit into the perfect crunch.